How to start a dropshipping business with no money, no Shopify, and no ads in 2024 and further. In this video, I am going to teach you how to start a successful dropshipping business with no money, no spending on ads, no money spent on building your dropshipping website, no money spent on anything. Everything is completely free. Learning how to start a dropshipping business, like any type of venture, isn't easy. Nevertheless, it is a great first step into the world of making money online. You can sell to customers without holding any inventory. You don't need to pay for products upfront. And if you're serious about this new venture, you can build a sustainable source of income in the long run. If you're new to this channel, I give away free e-commerce courses that others charge thousands of dollars for, completely free, and all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making these tutorials completely free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with a free dropshipping course. Now, why should you start dropshipping in 2024 and further? Dropshipping is one of the most profitable online businesses you can start with literally no money. You don't need to spend on buying products. You can start selling them right away. Secondly, you can work from home or from anywhere in the world. You just need to manage your online store, and you can do that with your laptop and an active internet connection. You can scale your dropshipping business very quickly since you don't have to buy and store any inventory or handle the shipping and delivery of the product, so you can take as many orders as possible and having financial freedom. What you will learn from this course: 1. You will learn how to pick a niche for your dropshipping business. 2. How to find winning dropshipping products. 3. How to do market research. 4. How to find the best dropshipping suppliers. 5. How to set up your online store or website. 6. How to market or advertise your product. Free and paid methods are going to be taught. And 7. How to analyze and improve your offerings. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products or services online without having to own or operate a physical location where these products are stored and processed. This means you can start an e-commerce store and sell a wide range of products without handling inventory and fulfillment. If you are a beginner, you may be still wondering how dropshipping works. I will break it down for you in this simple example. Let's imagine you have an online store where you sell smartphone accessories. As a dropshipper, you don't need to buy hundreds or thousands of smartphone accessories in advance and store them in a rental warehouse. When a customer places an order on your online store or website, you then send the order to your dropshipping supplier, who fulfills the order and send it directly to the customer on your behalf. Now let's start with step 1, which is to pick a niche for your dropshipping business. Picking a niche is the most important aspect when starting your dropshipping business. It is tough to pick a niche because you cannot sell the products you like. You need to sell what buyers want. You need to invest much of your time in this step to get better results. But the biggest question is how to choose a niche. Perform an in-depth market research to understand market trends before selecting a certain niche. Pick a niche that have the greatest demand from customers. Go through all the existing dropshipping stores and products they are selling. It will help you to get a clear idea about what niche to start the business. Try to choose the demanding products that are not easily available in offline store. Once you have picked a niche for your dropshipping business, proceed to step number 2, which is to find winning dropshipping product. What makes a product a winning product? A winning product must have a wow effect, can solve a real problem. This is because a product that solves a real problem is likely to sell for a longer period of time. For example, this product you see right here solves a real problem. As you can see, it should be able to sell for $25 or more. Do a quick search for this product on Google to see how much your competition is selling this product for, and if it is being sold for less than $25, you will see that you will be spending more than what you are actually making, especially if you are also spending on ads. Lastly, you should make sure there is a demand in the market for this product. You can do this by going to Google Trends and searching a keyword related to this product to see whether it is on an upward or a downward trend. Now I'm going to show you my top 3 best ways you can find dropshipping products. Method number 1 is by going to Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok and search "TikTok made me buy it" or "Amazon finds." Method number 2 is to search for AliExpress Dropshipping Center and click on the first link. If you have never heard of this AliExpress Dropshipping Center, it is a platform owned by AliExpress that gives you access access to data of tons of products that are currently being sold on AliExpress. When you are on this platform, get product data from other suppliers. Click on Find Products to Sell and it will take you to a portal of many popular products that are actually mind-blowing. Go through the list to actually find a trending product that actually solves a problem. I will pause this video and continue scrolling down until I find a winning product. When you find a winning product, check the review and the amount of orders. These are very good indications to tell this product is very successful right now. Step number 3 is to do competitive research. Now that you know what you are going to sell in your store, you want to look at who your competitors are and understand the way they work. Your competitors may hold great claws to success and can help you build a strong marketing plan for your dropshipping business. In order to do competitive research, run a Google search. Search engines are an obvious starting point. Use Google to build a list of your top 5 competitors. Start with key search terms in a simple search. For example, go to your product page and copy the product title or keywords and paste on a Google search to see other dropshipping shops that are offering this same product. Click on the Google Shopping tab to see all other businesses that are selling this product and what prices they are selling it for. The top 10 results will show you who your top 10 competitors are and how they are promoting their product. Step number 4 is to choose a dropshipping supplier. Choosing a dropshipping supplier is a critical step towards creating a successful dropshipping business. Without suppliers, a dropshipping business wouldn't have any products to ship to customers, therefore cease to exist. At this point, you've vetted what dropshipping products you want to sell and know they can be profitable. Now you want to make sure you find a dropshipping supplier that gives you a high quality service you need in order to grow. E-commerce platforms like Shopify offer a plug-and-play style option for finding potential suppliers by connecting DSAs to your online store. DSAs is a marketplace that makes it easy to find products to sell online. Whether it is electronics, fashion, toys, or other trending items, you can find products with good profit potential from dropshipping suppliers around the world and add them to your store with one click. The app manages the forwarding of your customer orders to your dropshipping supplier, so you never need to worry about packing, shipping, or managing inventory. It costs nothing to get started. The DSAS app uses AliExpress to help you find and add products to your store. If you want to read more about product quality or shipping time or further vet a supplier, you can do so from the DSAS product page. When you click a supplier's link, you end up on its AliExpress page where you can find review, top selling products, and more. Step number 5 is to build a dropshipping website. The next thing you need to start a dropshipping business is to create and set up your online store. Multiple platforms are available for creating an online store. You should choose one according to your requirements. Some well-known platforms for creating an online store are Shopify, Connect Builder, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, just to name a few. Important aspects to consider while selecting a platform for your shop are ease to use, features, pricing, security, etc. For this tutorial, we will use a free e-commerce platform builder for dropshipping, Connect Builder. Connect Builder makes it easy to build and launch your e-commerce website in just a few minutes. It is an e-commerce platform that lets you sell anything online, sell in multiple currencies, and easily manage products and accept payment. If you want to learn how to build a great e-commerce or dropshipping website from scratch to finish and without coding, I will add the video link in the description. Step number 6 is to market your dropshipping store. Marketing is the next step when the dropshipping store is ready. The main factor in marketing is understanding your target audience and figuring how to reach them. There are multiple methods to bring traffic to your online store, like running ads on social media, search engine optimization, social media marketing, influencer marketing, just to name a few. Running ads on social media is one of the most chosen methods to drive traffic to your online store due to its ability to filter the target audience based on age, gender, and many other demographics. So choose a platform where you can find most of your target audience. Those interested in your products will be able to find out more about them and purchase them if they are truly in need of them. It is possible to run targeting ads once a person visits the site and leaves without purchasing anything. TikTok and TikTok ads. TikTok has now become the fastest growing social media platform and is expected to outgrow even YouTube in terms of viewership. When using TikTok to grow your dropshipping business, you have the option of using TikTok ads or simply creating viral content to organically grow your brand. If you are new to TikTok, you can learn how to make money on TikTok with our free video guide. I will also add the link in the description. The next is content marketing. If you want to build a long-term stream of traffic for your store, add content marketing to your dropshipping business plan. Start a blog around your dropshipping niche and create content that entertains and educates your target audience. You can also create video content on YouTube, create infographics, or start a podcast to help get the word out about your dropshipping business. Social media is a powerful platform to launch and exhibit your products online. It works wonders for B2C products since they can reach consumers directly. It is common for brands to share videos on their social media accounts for more engagement. Performing all this will also help you to build trust amongst your target audience. The most common videos are how-to guides, which are the most useful for users. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is currently the most popular marketing trend. The only way to efficiently use influencer marketing is to select ideal influencers for your brand. This trick will work like magic when the influencer can build trust with your target audience about the brand. A study has shown that 8 out of 10 consumers will buy products from influencer marketing if they find them useful. Influencer marketing is preferred because it operates more efficiently than traditional marketing strategies. Lastly is organic marketing. Organic marketing can take some time to produce results once it is executed effectively. It gives you ongoing benefits without requiring capital. Putting effort into best SEO practices can also provide excellent results for your business. Writing blog posts with relevant keywords is the best method to achieve this. People believe blogs to be the most reliable resource because they assist them in finding solutions to those problems. Step number 7, analyze and improve your offering. Getting sales with dropshipping is fairly easy, but to become profitable and scale your business past 5, 6, and 7 figures, you have to make sure you have all the pieces of your funnel in place to maximize profit. Abandon cart emails. A majority of consumers abandon their checkout at some point while making purchases online. But simply following up through emails or with abandoned cart reminders, you can virtually cut this number in half or more. The best way to make sure you have customers complete their purchase is by simply sending them an email telling them to finish their checkout. You can even offer a discount to entice them to come back and complete their order. Upsells and bundle products. Do you want to increase your profit margin? Give your customers the option to create bundle products. You can do this by giving them the option to buy add-ons or similar products together as part of a package. You can do this using Shopify apps that help increase sales. You would be surprised to see that up to half or more of your customers will make the bundle purchase. Not only this is one of the easiest ways to increase your average order value, but your customers will be a lot happier that you saved them an extra purchase by offering a product they needed. Customer loyalty program. Almost every retailer has an incentive program for customers who give their email or sign up for a free loyalty program. This allows you to acquire their contact information to easily remarket to them via email or SMS with discount and promotional offers. Have a live chat or live customer support staff. One of the easiest ways to keep your customers happy is to show them that you care. This can be done by simply answering any question or concerns. Now, I know most of us don't want to have to be answering questions all day, so most of this can be done with a simple chatbot using pre-formatted questions and answers. You can also have a virtual assistant answer live chat for you during certain hours. You can find a virtual assistant on sites like Fiverr.com for relatively cheap. Customer support is one of those things that can completely differentiate your brand name or store from the rest. Whether you are a new entrepreneur or a veteran business owner, a dropshipping business is a great low-risk, low-cost way to start selling online. Before starting a dropshipping business, analyze and experiment with every aspect discussed in this video and understand what works for you. If you can follow all the steps mentioned in this video, you will obviously succeed in your dropshipping journey. Watch this video next in order to learn how to source winning products for your dropshipping business. And if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel so that we can keep producing more educative videos like this one.